Can you really burn fat without doing a single minute of cardio? The fitness world is divided. Some swear by hours on the treadmill. Others say it's completely unnecessary. So what's the truth? Let's break it down. Fat loss isn't about cardio. It's about a calorie deficit. If you burn more calories than you consume through diet, weight training, or daily movement, you lose fat, period. Cardio is just one tool to help create that deficit. Yes, it's absolutely possible to lose fat without cardio. If your nutrition is dialed in and your training promotes muscle retention, you can get lean without ever stepping on a treadmill. In fact, many natural bodybuilders limit cardio to preserve muscle while cutting. But that doesn't mean cardio is useless. It can be a powerful tool when fat loss stalls, or when you want to eat more food while still staying in a deficit. Plus, it's great for heart health, endurance, and mental clarity. Here's a simple cardio-free fat loss plan. Strength train at least 3 to 5 times per week. Hit 8 to 10,000 steps daily. Stay in a small to moderate calorie deficit. And prioritize protein to protect your muscle. No treadmill, no Stairmaster, no endless HIIT. So yes, you can lose fat without cardio. But using it strategically, that's the real secret. This is RushFit, the muscle method. Subscribe now for more no-fluff, science-based fitness strategies.